Hey, what's up guys, Jude back with another video. In this video we are going to be talking about Aidog.pet. So let's get straight into the video. And also before getting started to this video, if you can hit the like button and subscribe, it'd be awesome to see your great support. And also if you still haven't joined my official Telegram group, the link will be provided in the description so we can communicate more faster. And let's start with the video. AI Smart Dog is a combination of blockchain and AI, that is artificial intelligence. They are planning to create a mechanical robot that will be playing a main part in that will be playing main part on 5G and Internet of Things, which is something really good. So we are going to be learning more about this project in this video. So if you are interested, then make sure to watch the video till the end and let's learn how it works. So here is how you can easily get started with this project. The first is buy AI Dog from decentralized exchange, that is PancakeSwap. AI wallet, a D app browser wallet with P2P marketplace. So they will be having an AI wallet that will be having P2P marketplace in it. It will be a D app browser wallet. AI Dog Swap, we will give you some free AI dog to play with it. So that is something really good, that they will be also having an AI dog swap where you can get some free AI dog to try the things out, that how it works. AI dog launchpad, and also this feature is something really good, that they will be also acting as a launchpad where new project that anyone can list and create projects on AI dog platform, which is something really good. And hold AI dog to get early access in upcoming project on Binance Smart Chain. So that will be a great revolutionary step itself, that will be adding more use case for AI dog. That is, if you are a AI dog holder, then you will be getting an early access to upcoming projects on the BSC network. And it is a community driven project. You can vote or like or dislike any project. Whether you like it, you can vote it as a like, or if you don't like a project, you can dislike it and it will be rejected from the list of launchpad. And here is the AI dog project. 100% community driven and fair launch. Dev tokens locked for 2 years and participate in fair launch with everyone else. And also the Dev tokens are locked for 2 years, and it was a fair launched automatic LP. Every trade contributes toward automatic generating liquidity locked inside PancakeSwap. So they are also having an automatic liquidity where every trade will be generating an automatic liquidity which will be locked in PancakeSwap LP tokens. RFI static rewards. Holder earns passive income rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of AI dog grow indefinitely. So you just need to do is buy AI tokens, AI dog tokens, and you will be watching it grow their balance itself in your wallet, because it is following an RFI static rewards model where it will be increasing passively as soon as more people do transaction with AI dogs. And here is their main mission, that is, our technology company plans to research and develop mechanical dog which will play an important role in the next 5G Internet of Things era and promote major application of Internet of Things, military tasks, emergency disaster affairs, and philanthropy, which is something really good. That, as I already told, that they are creating and planning to launch a mechanical dog which will be playing a great role in the 5G network, that is Internet of Things, and it will be having a great major application on military tasks, emergency disasters. So that will be something really good that they are working on. And here is a roadmap, that is smart dog speaker, mechanical dog NFT, launch AI dog launchpad, custom dog toys, which is something really good. So the roadmap looks really good. And now let's move on to the white paper and learn and understand about the tokenomics and how it works. So this I don't need to explain it again, that is how the automatic LP will be working. So it is just simple as that every transaction will be generating an LP which will be locked on PancakeSwap, which will be added directly into the LP pool. And here is the tokenomics, that is AI Go, which is the token ticker name for AI dog. Their total supply will be 1,000 billion tokens, and the burned Dev tokens that they have already burned Dev tokens, that is of 600 billion Dev tokens are burned, and the fair launch supply is 400 billion, which is something really good. So it is a high supply coin. And the remaining token allocation, that is 60% remaining burning in 5 years, that is 600 trillion tokens will be burned in 5 years, and 15% in the PancakeSwap liquidity, that is 150 trillion tokens, and lost the private key. So the liquidity added, that is of 15% that consists of 150 trillion tokens. Their private keys are burned by them, so it is just lost, so no one can have access to that. And 10% of the development team will be locked for 3 years, not for sale. That is 100 trillion tokens will be locked. And 5% airdrop to early preachers, that is 50 trillion tokens. So all the early investors are getting some great airdrop from this, that is 50 trillion is allocated for airdrop itself, which is something really good. And 5% will be used for subscription of early community preaches, that is 50 trillion yuan. And all subscription amount will be injected into the mobile pool, which is something really good. And 3% is allocated for marketing and other material related to partnership and everything. And 2% is reserved for foundation to further support the mission of Aidog to support the global COVID-19 pandemic victims. So that is also something really good, that they are working on a noble cause. And here is the use case. Aidog is a yield and liquidity generation protocol. Aidog employs 3 functions, that is static reward, LP acquisition plus burn in each trade. So these are all the project use case that I suggest you guys to have it a look once. I will be giving a direct link to this white paper so you can understand more about this. And here is the safety measure that they have taken, the step-by-step plan to ensure 100% safety. That is step 1, developer burned all own tokens before release. And step 2, that is pre-sale before the website is released. Step 3, LP locked on released for 3 years. And step 4, LP generated with every trade and locked on PancakeSwap. So this is how you can easily identify the safety of this project by your own, by checking each and every step. So this project looks really great. So if you want to invest, you can invest, but as I always say, invest what you can afford to lose. And also join the Telegram group and Twitter to get the latest update about them. All the social profile link will be present in the description, so you can directly check them out from that. So that was all about the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.